Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to verify your Bitget account. If you are looking for a way to verify your Bitget account, then the process is quite easy, so let's dive into the video. First of all, log into your Bitget account. Visit the official website for Bitget or open up the Bitget application on your device. Make sure to log into your account by entering your login credentials to access your account's dashboard. Once you are logged in, if you've not yet verified your account, then you will be able to see a little notice at the top of the screen that says, to unlock all features, you must first complete identity verification. Tap on the option and then click on the verify button at the bottom in order to start verification. Before starting the process, make sure that you have a government-issued documents that you can upload. You'll need to go through face recognition verification, and the estimated review time for your verification is 60 minutes. Tap on the verify button and then on the next page, select your country or your region from the drop-down. Now, select an ID type you would like to verify your identity with. You can choose a government-issued ID card, passport, or driving license. Select one of the options that is available to you right now and tap on continue. Go through the information. Your government issued ID should be ready with you right now, and you will need to take a picture of the document that you are trying to continue verifying with. Tap on continue and follow through the prompts. Now you will need to upload the front size of your chosen document. Simply go ahead and upload from your album or take a photo from your camera. Once you upload the front side of your document, tap on continue and then click on confirm. You will now need to complete facial recognition. Take a selfie using your camera and ensure your face is within the frame exactly as it shows in the display. Tap on I'm ready when you're ready and follow the prompts. Allow Bitget to use your camera by tapping on allow. After you've scanned your face, you will now need to wait for a notification for your result. The review is expected to be completed within 1 hour. Now you can tap on back and wait for the notification if your verification has been completed or not. You will also receive a status. Your account status may be updated to reflect that you have passed the verification process once it is completed. With a verified Bitget account, you may gain access to additional features and higher account limits, such as increased withdrawal limits or eligibility for certain trading promotions. So that is how you will be able to verify your Bitget account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.